Welcome to T4 Music Mentor, beginning Clarinet-Week 1. Today we're going to look at the parts of the clarinet and put the whole instrument together. So we're going to start with the bell of the instrument. The bell looks like this. The next part we'll need is the lower joint. Lower joint is this long piece, and it has a thumb rest in the back. You may have a cushion for your thumb rest, you may not. It's okay at this point. But what you want to do to put it together is put your 3 fingers here on this empty space right here between those 2 keys. Get a nice, good grip with it. And with your left hand, combine those 2 by pushing up on the bell while twisting down from the lower joint. That gives you this. And you also want to make sure your logo is facing forward if your instrument has one, okay? Next piece is going to be the upper joint. Upper joint has a logo on it, or at least mine does. So you want to make sure that you have that facing forward, and then there's this key that we call the bridge key. The bridge key opens up, and if you look really close, you should see a little button move right here. So we want to push that down and keep it pushed down, and we'll slowly rotate that. You don't want to go too far with your twisting, just very, very slow, deliberate turns, and then it looks like this. Okay, your next piece is the barrel. Now the barrel has a shorter end and an end that's a little bit wider, so you want to make sure you have that wider part to connect to the upper joint of the clarinet. And again, if you have a logo on your instrument, make sure your logo is facing forward. Okay, your last piece is your mouthpiece. So your mouthpiece should have a cap on it, like this. Make sure you remove that cap, set it to the side, and your mouthpiece also should have a logo. Make sure you put the front of the logo to the front of the clarinet. And when your instrument's completely put together, this is what it should look like. Okay, so that gives you just a basic understanding of how to put the instrument together. Next week, we'll talk about using the mouthpiece and your reeds to make our first sounds. Thank you.